Hi boys and girls, I just want to make a small video. Tomorrow is the big day. We start our Renko bar workshop on Tuesday. So in case you haven't signed up yet, there's still enough time to do so. Just click the link here and it will bring you right to the page where you can sign up. Before you do so, just check out this one more video. I want to demonstrate a trade, a trend change using the scalping settings that we prefer to use when we trade with Renko charts. So because we have a trend up here and we had many opportunities to take longs, now it's too late. What I want to do is to trade against this up move after seeing a break of this trend line here. We have to wait for the setup, and I will also pause the video in between, otherwise it takes too long. It could be that the price is kind of out of steam because of this big move, so it might take a while. Okay, there we go. We just need another pip. There we are. So we are short, and as I said, it might move slowly, so you can. Let me first move the stop to up there. A little bit slower, lower. Yeah, about 10 pips plus spread. Also, you can keep your mouse on this position to close it if you see it goes against you. Like if that's really going against us quickly right at the beginning because we are scalping, we would close the whole position immediately. We don't want to wait to see the price hitting our stop, because the main move here on this chart is still kind of a long. We didn't get a nice perfect short setup. It's not a textbook thing here, but it's worth trying to target the 200 EMA with this short. What we also want to do, or what I want to do, is like if the price starts moving and it's hitting the 200 EMA, that and it gives us a sign, a signal, which I will explain in much detail. Here's the target, by the way, the 200 EMA. Forgot to place that one. If it reaches the 200 EMA and it gives me a sign, which, as I said, I will explain it in the during our workshop, then we could also reverse it right at the 200, which is one way to do it, to go long then, but that would be very aggressive, and I probably have to explain that in much detail before I do that. But we could also wait for a trend line break. If it's bouncing on the 200, it moves up and it breaks our entry point here where we have our short right now, then we could look for an aggressive long. Why? Because the time frames we are using, like the 1 hourly chart, is pointing up, and a bounce on the 200 EMA could mean that the price really wants to move higher. But let's see first if we can make some pips on the short here. Okay, the price is retracing again back to our trend line, to the 36. Finger close here to our close button in case we need to get out quickly. Still, we have a lower high, so we don't have to worry. We just want to be quick because we are scalping here. Okay, price is moving. I don't want to make it boring for you, so let's calculate the pips. About like 10 pips plus the spread. And one thing you could do, this is of course the target, but let's say you're in a hurry or there's too much support, you want to get rid of one position, you make the stop small. In this case it's like what, nothing, 7, 8 pips, 9 pips. calculate, okay, it's a 1-to-1, and you can get rid of this position. You can either modify it or you can just close it if you think it's time for it. But I will explain to you really much detail when it's time or not. So what I'll do here is aggressive, go long at a break of a trend line in the direction of the main move. You have to place your stop below the 200, in this case below the lowest point, which is now over 20 points. It's an aggressive entry. You need a bigger stop sometimes a very small stop. What you also want to do, you want to make sure you trade in the direction of the trend when you do that. I give you all details, of course. Switch to the time frame, to your combination, which is in this case our 1 hourly chart, and here you can see the main trend is up. We have a there we go, a 1, 2, 3, and therefore the target at the highs. So it's about 2 times the stop. That's an aggressive way to do it after the touch on the 36, which was in our previous bounce of the 200, right? Using the Renko bars. Again, I will give all details, no worries. Unfortunately, I was not here to record this live. Again, price hit the target. I will show you right away on the results. But again, I will show everything to you. I will teach you all the combinations in the live workshop on Tuesday the 24th. Hope to see you all there. If that video helped, please give it a like and catch up with you very, very soon. Bye.